Hello. Alright, so I'm pretty sure Louie has been able to read for quite some time now. So I wrote up these cards. He's never seen them. And we are going to test my theory. What does this say?
Circle.
Good job.
Circle.
Circle. What about this?
Sun.
Good job. What about this? What does it say? Hello. Hello. That one's a little tough. Alright. What about this one? Yes, cat. What about this one?
Dog.
Yeah.
Dog.
Dog. What about this one?
Giraffe.
Giraffe. What about this one?
Zebra.
Zebra. What about this one?
What is it?
What is it?
Guitar.
Guitar. What's this one? Lettuce. What's this one?
Tomato.
Tomato. What about this?
Cheese.
Cheese. What about this one?
Carrot.
What does it say?
Carrot.
Great. It says great job. That one's a little tough too. Great job. What about this one?
Clean up.
Clean up? Yeah. What about this one?
Down.
Down. What about this one?
Alligator.
Alligator. This one's a little tricky too. What's this one?
Good job.
It's close to great job. You can do it. What's this one?
Good. Good.
Goodbye. What's this one?
Thank you.
Good job.
Thank you.
Thank you. What about this one?
Happy.
Yes.
Happy.
Happy. What's this?
Wake up.
What's this one?
Wake
What's this one?
up. Wake up.
Pretty close. What does this say? Sandwich.
Go.
Mm-hmm. What about this one?
Milk.
Yeah.
Milk.
Milk.
Wake up.
Great job. What's this one?
Apple.
Yeah.
Apple.
Apple.
Wake up.
What's this one?
Yogurt.
Yogurt. What's this one?
Banana.
What is it?
Cherry.
What is it? Banana.
Wake up.
Great job. What's this one?
Book.
Yeah.
Look. Look.
What's this one?
Louie.
Yeah.
Louie.
Louie. What's this one?
Mercury. Mercury.
Mustache.
Black. Good job.
Great job. What's this one?
Giraffe. Giraffe.
Giraffe. No, what's this one?
Giraffe.
Pirate. Pirate. What's this one?
Bow. 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 Good job.
Ball.
Good job.
Great job. What about this one?
Giant. Giant.
What is it?
Giant.
Soccer. What's this one?
Baby.
Baby. And what's this one?
Daddy.
Diaper. What's this one?
Good job.
I love you. I love you.
Good job.
Great job. What's this one?
Blackberry.
Strawberry. And what's this one?
Blueberry.
Yeah.
Blueberry.
Blueberry. What about this one?
Mickey.
Veggie. Good job.
Good job.
What's this one?
Green.
Green. How about this?
Yellow.
Yeah.
Yellow.
Yellow. What about this one?
Mercury.
Ahoy, matey. That one's tough, I know. What's this one?
Book.
Yeah. How about this one?
Black ball.
What is it?
Black ball. Black ball. Black ball. Black ball.
I don't know what that is.
Black ball.
This is airplane.
Good job.
Yeah.
Good job.
What about this?
Two.
Yeah.
Two.
Zoo. What's this?
Zebra.
Yeah.
Zebra.
Zebra. What's this?
Monkey.
Yeah.
Monkey.
Monkey. What's this?
Bear.
Yeah.
Bear.
Bird. What about this one?
Bear. Bear.
Bear.
Good job.
Great job. What about this one?
Cookie. Cookie.
Cookie. That's pretty close.
Good job.
Cuddle. What's this one?
Here.
Share. You got something in your eye? Okay, what about this one?
Okay. Okay. What?
What's this one?
What am I
You getting tired of this? What about this one?
Water.
Yeah!
Water.
Water. Good job.
Good. Now, what?
What's that?
Here.
Pretty close.
Coin.
Kick. What's this?
Jump.
Jump. What's this one?
Jump.
Yeah.
Jump.
Sing a song. What's this one?
Jellyfish.
Yeah.
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish. What's this one?
Chair.
Shorts.
Get up.
Great job.
Okay.
What's this one?
Shoes.
Shoes.
No.
What about this one?
Big. Big. Big.
Pretty close.
Big.
It's a bus.
Big up. Big up.
Great job.
No.
What's this one?
What?
Yeah.
What?
Horse.
Unicorn. Unicorn. Unicorn.
It is like a unicorn. What's this?
Unicorn. Unicorn.
Yeah.
Unicorn.
Yes.
Unicorn.
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 What's this word?
Unicorn.
That doesn't say unicorn. What about this one?
What?
Yeah.
What?
Left. How about this one?
Nose.
Yeah.
Nose.
Nose. How about this one? No, don't pick your nose.
Each.
Ears.
You. I.
Yeah, that's the next one. What's this say?
I. Can. Huh? Yes. I. Two.
Mm-hmm.
I.
What's this one? Very good singing. What's this word?
Oval.
Yes.
Oval.
Yes.
Oval.
Oval. What is this word?
Square.
Yes.
Square.
Yep.
Square.
Yep.
Square.
What about this one?
Tomato.
Yeah.
Tomato.
Yep.
Tomato.
Triangle.
Tomato.
Great job. What's this one?
Rectangle.
Yes.
Rectangle.
Very good.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. What's this one?
Cylinder.
Semicircle.
Circle.
Yeah.
Circle.
Yeah.
Circle. Circle.
What's this one?
Circle. Orange.
What is it?
Cactus. Cactus.
Octagon. Pretty close. What's this one?
Giraffe. Giraffe.
What is it? Coffee.
Yay.
Yay! What's this one?
Cup.
Yeah.
Cup.
What about this one?
Owl. Owl.
It looks like owl.
Yay.
Mm-hmm.
Yay.
It's a bowl. Very close. What about this one?
Spoon.
Yeah.
Spoon.
Spoon. What about this one?
Hungry.
Yeah.
Hungry.
Hungry. What about this one?
Kissy. Kissy.
Kiss. What's this?
Red.
Yeah.
Red.
Red. What's this?
Blue.
Blue. What's this?
Pink.
Yeah.
Pink.
Pink. What's this?
Black.
Yeah.
Black. Black.
You're a genius. What's this?
White.
Yeah.
White.
White. What's this?
Brown.
Yeah.
Brown.
Yes.
Brown.
Brown. What about this one?
Orange.
Yeah.
Orange.
Mhm.
Yellow.
What's this one?
Yellow.
Yeah.
Yellow.
Yellow. What's
White.
What's this one?
Rainbow.
Good job.
Rainbow.
Rainbow. What's this one?
Umbrella.
Yeah.
Umbrella.
Umbrella. What's this one?
Unicorn.
Unicorn. What's this one?
One.
Violin. Great job.
Next.
What about this one?
Piano.
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 Okay, what's this?
What?
Yes.
What?
Left. What about this one?
What?
Right. And what's this one?
Button.
Yeah.
Button.
Yeah.
Button.
Belly button. What's this one?
Unicorn.
What's this one?
Unicorn.
I know you know this one.
Unicorn.
Haircut. What about this one?
Timber.
Toothbrush. What's this?
Hat.
Yes.
Hat.
Hat.
Now.
What's this?
Bucket. Rocket.
Rocket. What's this one? Nap.
B.M.
Almost. Just a couple more. What's this one?
Moon.
Yeah.
Moon. You. Okay.
What's this one?
Hey, what? Super big. What color?
What word is this? What word is this? You want to be all done? You've said a lot.
Star.
Good job.
Star.
Yes.
Star.
Star. What's this one?
Cow.
Yeah.
Cow.
Cow. What about this one?
Chicken.
Chicken. What's this one? Louie, what's this one? Hey. What's this one?
Chicken.
Children. And what's this one?
Frog.
Yeah.
Frog.
And what's this one?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. And what's this one?
Bee.
Good job. Last one. What's this one?
Bee. We. Okay.
What's this one?
Bee. But
Juice.
Great job.
Great job. Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.